Hey everyone, this is me Yusra. Here is how to enable picture and picture mode on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to play a video either YouTube, Short or Netflix or something and you want to be able to hop out here and have the minimum player, you need to turn it on in two different places. The first place is on your iPhone itself. So let's head into the settings of your phone. Need to manually turn it on YouTube as well. So from here, scroll down, we will tap on general and then scroll down. You will see this option picture and picture, and you can see it says start PIP automatically. You can swipe up here. I hope this tutorial is very helpful. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.